Hi, this is Brian Walters on the floor here at CES 2019. One of the things I would like to talk about today is exhibit design. Tension fabric, aluminum structure is the trend today. It gives you a lot of smooth, large surfaces, and it's easy to put together, it's lightweight, and so forth. The one thing that we're noticing a lot, especially at CES, is the LED video walls. So with the LED modular panels, there's so much you can do with these. Besides a large message, and you can see it kind of in the exhibit behind me, the background is a large video message. So, modular LED video panels. These come in a number of different types of resolution. The smaller the millimeter resolution, down to say a 1.9 millimeter pixel pitch, which is very high res, up to 6, 7, 8 millimeter for fewer distances. So large signs overhead can have less resolution, and so you can hang these, you can use them for your walls, you can use them for your structure. You can actually build them into your counters. So there's a lot of messaging, a lot of bright, attention-getting messaging that you can put forward just by using LED panels.